Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Namra from BS Chemistry and I am going to represent you joining data with Pandas. In chapter 1, which is inner join, there is for clarity, tables, data frames, merging, joining. There are one-to-one and one-to-many joinings. In one-to-one, every row in the left table is related to only one row in the right table. Many, every row in left table is related to one or more rows in the right table, and these two are the examples of one-to-one and one-to-many. In chapter 2, there is left join. Left join, also known as left outer join, returns a data frame containing all the rows of the left data frame. All the non-matching rows of the left data frame contain NaN for the columns in the right data frame. It is simply an inner join plus all the non-matching rows of the left data frame filled with NaN for columns of the right data frame. Performing a left join is actually quite similar to full join. Just change the how argument to left. Right join. Right join, also known as right outer join, is similar to the left outer join. The only difference is that all the rows of the right data frame are taken as it is, and only those of the left data frame that are common in both. Similar to the other joins, we can perform a right join by changing the how argument to right. Chapter 3, filtering joins. Mutating joins and filtering joins. Mutating joins combines data from two tables based on matching observations in both tables, and in filtering joins filter observations from table based on whether or not they match an observation in another table. What is a semi-join? Semi-joins returns the intersection similar to an inner join, returns only column from the left table and not the right, and there is no duplication in semi-join. Chapter 4, there is using underscore merge order. In this picture, there is left table and right table, and after they merge, there is a result table as shown. Method comparison. In method comparison, there are two methods. First, dot merge brackets and merge underscore order. In dot merge method, columns to join on, left underscore on, and right underscore on. Type of join is left, right, inner, outer, and it is default inner, overlapping columns names and calling the method. Whereas merge underscore order contains columns to join on, left underscore on, and right underscore on. The type of join is right, inner, left, outer. It is default outer and overlapping column names and calling the function. Thank you so much. That's all from my side.